Well, hey everyone, let's get ready for our workout. Feet apart, roll your shoulders forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms out. Cross it over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up. Switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up. Both arms up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up. Switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands up. Turn the palms all the way up and hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it forward. Hands right above your knees. Chin stays up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it on down to your toes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come on up, one hand at a time. Extend your leg forward. Doesn't matter which leg you extend forward. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, no more. Rock and tap. Just a little rock. Move your arms. Yes. Now bring it back to the center. Go ahead and extend the legs forward and back again. Forward and back. Forward and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a rock and tap again. Rock and tap. Rock and tap. Rock and tap. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet apart. Both hands are up. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those arms forward and hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. One hand up. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Take the other hand up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Well, all right. Get in your chair. Move one up to the edge of it. Roll those shoulders back. Yes. Now roll them forward. Are you ready? Well, let's get ready to march it out. March. March it out. March. 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 Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, little kicks. Here we go. Kick, kick, kick. Give me 8 more kicks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. 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 Wanna march with me? 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Rock and tap. Let's go. Rock and tap. Rock and tap. Move your arms and rock and tap. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. 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 Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 little kicks, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, switch it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's march. 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 March it out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, rock and tap. Here we go. Rock, tap. Move your arms. Rock and tap. Move your arms. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. 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 Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Push it up. Both arms. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. 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 March it out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Arms, bring it forward. Forward and back. Forward and back. Pull those elbows back and squeeze those back muscles. Come on. Work it. Work it. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. 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 Push your arms up. Both of them. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. 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 Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Up, up, back, back. Up, bring it back. Up, bring it back. Up, bring it back. Up, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. 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 Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Bring those arms forward. Let's go. Forward. Pull those elbows back. Come on. Forward. Forward. You got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march. March. March it out. March. 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 Legs forward. Raise that arm. Up. Let's go. Up. Take it up. 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 My jam. Up. 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 And now switch it up right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march. Hold up. Come on. You got it. March. 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 And march. March. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you're done. Go ahead and roll those shoulders forward. Roll your shoulders back. Arms out. Cross it. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up, cross the opposite way. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both arms up and hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fingers together, turn your palms up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring those hands right above your knees and bend forward. Chin stays up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to your toes. 4, 3, 2, 1. One hand at a time. Come on up. Extend the legs forward and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and rock and tap for me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend the leg forward and back again. Forward and back. Forward and back. Feet apart. Inhale, exhale. Take it up. Inhale all the goodness and release all the badness, negativity. Inhale all the goodness and positivity. Yes. And exhale all the negativity. Take it up again. Inhale all the goodness. Now bring it halfway down and exhale and give yourself a hug. Great job. Thank you so much for working out with me today.